In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start generating passive income promoting Digistore24 product as a complete beginner. I'm going to walk you through all the whole steps in this video. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online with CPA and affiliate marketing. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to digistore24.com if you don't have an account already. And all you need to do is to look for this register now button. And once you click on that, you'll be able to create an account for absolutely free. And once you basically create an account, it's going to take you to your dashboard that looks like this. And if for some reason you are not seeing this page, you want to click on the marketplace on your screen. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page where you are going to have access to various Digistore24 products that you can start promoting right away and start earning money in passive income. So basically, I'm going to show you how to use this powerful website, as you can see right here, where people are getting millions of downloads on this website. And I'm going to show you how you can do this as well as a complete beginner with 100% free traffic and start earning money. All right. So the first thing you want to do, obviously, is to go over any of these categories right here and select a product. So I'm going to be taking the internet marketing and e-business as an example. So once I click on this, as you can see, over 100 products are available under this category alone. So there are a lot of people looking to make money online. And as you can see, the first product that is getting the most popularity right here, as you can see, 4 out of 5 star rating right here, which means this product is making people a lot of money on Digistore24. All right, as you can see, you are also going to get paid $215.38 promoting this product. So the next thing you want to do from here is to basically head over to this website called freeplrdownloads.com. So this website basically gives you access to free PLR ebooks that you can use without copyright issues. All you need to do is to type in a keyword that is related to whatever product you want to promote on Digistore24. Since I'm taking this YouTube product as an example, all I just need to do is to type in YouTube right here. As you can see, there are a lot of free PLR ebooks that I can download from this website for absolutely free. This one is an example that says how to get 1,000 real YouTube views in 1 week. So all I just need to do is to click on this, and then you want to click on this download button to download it for absolutely free. So the next step is to head over to this website called SearchThat.com. So basically, this website allows us to edit any ebook, and we can basically add our affiliate link. And don't worry, you don't even need to create an account on this website. All you just need to do is to click on edit a PDF document. As you can see right here, it's free. So once you click on that right here, you want to click on upload file. And here you want to head over to the folder where you downloaded this file. So you want to click on open. So as you can see right here, it has opened the ebook, how to get 10,000 real YouTube views in a week. And I can tell you a lot of people on YouTube are looking for methods on strategies on how to get views. Okay, so basically, as you can see right here, you can even edit this name to whatever name you want right here. So basically, as you can see, I can even change the name to XB Marketing, and I can basically type in my website if I have one right here. Now you want to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. So here you can also add your name if you want to do that, or you can add in your email address or your website if you have one. So what you want to do here is to go back to digistore24.com, and you can click on the affiliate support page. So once you click on this affiliate support page, so here you want to basically get ideas of call to action that you want to include in that ebook. As you can see, this is going to be a very good one to use in the ebook. All right, so all I need to do is to just copy this, and I want to go back to this page. All right, so right before this, you want to basically paste it right here. You want to basically click on this bold. All right, and also you want to increase the size. So now, as you can see right here, free training, how to make money on YouTube without recording videos and without any experience, technical skill, or a huge upfront investment. All right, so now what you want to do from here is to basically highlight this. All right, and you want to click on this create a link. So for this section here, this is where you are going to be pasting your Digistore24 link, and all you need to do is to head over to Digistore24. You want to click on the promote now. So once you do that, as you can see, it's going to show you your affiliate link. So once you copy your affiliate link, all you just need to do is to paste in the link right here. and you want to click on enter. So that is all you need to do. Once people click on this link, as you can see, they will be brought to this Digistore24 product. Okay, so now you want to copy the call to action and you can paste it in other sections of this ebook. So once you add it to various sections of the ebook, all you just need to do is to click on apply changes. So once you click on that, as you can see, everything is done. You can also preview the ebook if you want. So basically, if I scroll down to the very bottom, as you can see, this is our call to action right here. And if I click on it, it's going to take me to this Digistore24 product. Okay, so now the next step is to basically download this ebook. And here you want to click on download. So once you download this ebook, you want to head over to the website pdfdrive.com. So basically, once you come over to this website, like I showed you earlier, people are getting millions of downloads from this website. So as you can see right here, it says search for ebook, tutorials, manuals, and others. So if I come over here and type in YouTube as an example, so if I type that right here, you can see these are new ebooks that have been uploaded to this website. You can see this one has gotten over 30,000 downloads. You can see this one 16,000. You can see this one 96,000. So basically, you can see people are getting massive downloads on this website, and this is a lot of potential to make sales, because once you include your affiliate link in the ebook, as long as that product is related to that ebook, some of the people who downloaded the ebook are definitely going to click on the affiliate link, and some of them will definitely purchase the product. Okay, so now once you come over here, you want to click on this sign in. So here it's going to ask you to create an account. So you want to click on create account. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And you want to basically come over to this section, and here you want to click on upload. So this is how you are going to basically upload your file. All right, so now you want to click on choose file, and here you want to basically upload the file you created on SearchThat.com. Okay, you want to make sure you upload this one. Since this is the file you added your affiliate link, you want to make sure this is the one you upload. So once you upload the file, all you just need to do is to give your file a title. As you can see, this one, how to get 10,000 real YouTube views in a week. Okay, so as you can see, this is very related to this product right here that is going to teach people how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. Okay, so this is a very related product to this ebook. And once you do that, you want to click on upload. Your ebook is going to be uploaded to pdfdrive.com. And once people come over to the search bar to search for YouTube or any other keyword, your ebook is going to pop up. As you can see, these are new ebooks that has been uploaded to this website. And also you can see they are getting thousands of views. And now let's say you get only 100 downloads a day. And this is the bare minimum, because I just showed you people who are getting massive downloads on this website. So let's say only 100 downloads per day, and just 1% of these people who downloaded this ebook decide to purchase the product, and 1% of 100 is 1. So basically, if you multiply 1 by 215, which is the commission you are going to get for this product, you are already making over $200 a day using this strategy for only this product. And keep in mind, this is not the only niche you can use on Digistore24. You can see we have business and investment, and you can see we have dating, relationship, and other niches that you can replicate this strategy as well. So the more PDF you upload on pdfdrive.com, the more traffic you are going to get to your affiliate link, and the more sales you are going to make. So basically, that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.